Welcome to 420 West Saulnier. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, right in the heart of Montrose. Super close to downtown. You can see downtown right there. It's a quiet street. Let's head on inside. There's a private entrance to the home. It is a freestanding home, not a townhome. And there is a small little pathway to the back deck area. Let's head on inside. On the right is the 2-car garage. In front is the laundry room. There's an office nook, pathway to the primary bedroom, stairwells that lead up to the living, kitchen, and other bedrooms. And we'll go up there shortly. 2-car garage is super spacious with some extra overhead shelving. Lots of shelving in this nook. And this unit does come with a washer dryer. Here's the office nook. It can also be used as a play area or a formal sitting room. And then let's go inside the primary bedroom. The primary suite here to the left is the bathroom. 2 sinks, lots of room, linen closet, standing shower, to a soaking tub, with lots of natural light coming in from that window. Across the way is the primary closet. Built-in shelving, lots and lots of room to hang clothes, put shoes. And here's the primary bedroom. And again, windows here for extra light from outside. Let's step outside here. The doorway to the back. And this patio is super nice with very private fencing all the way up to the top. And again, that entrance to the front of the home. And that is a gate that it can close. And we'll head on upstairs. First, you'll see double ovens on the left, stainless steel appliances, refrigerator, island cooktop with ventilation. Stools can be placed in the front, plenty of room to walk around. And there's also a section right here to add more seating, more stools, to overlook into the kitchen. And this is the primary living room, dining room. That leads into the office, play area, game room, and the 2 other bedrooms. Bedroom on the left. Again, lots of natural light. Closet on the right. Bedroom number 3. Closet on the left. And the hallway bathroom. Standing shower tub. Toilet and linen closet. Thank you for viewing.